ready to turn those skip tracing efforts into actionable contact information? This tutorial will show you exactly how to unlock your skip-traced lead results within Batchleads, so you can get back to connecting with potential clients faster. First, log into your Batchleads account and navigate to the main dashboard on the left-hand side menu. You'll find a clear skip tracing tab. Click on this to access all your skip tracing projects and their outcomes. Now, you'll see a list of your completed skip tracing requests. Look for the specific batch or job you want to review. A completed status indicates that the results are ready for you. If you see another status, you might need to wait a little longer or investigate any associated error messages. Click on the completed job to dive into the individual lead data. You'll be presented with a clear breakdown of the information Batchleads found. This typically includes updated phone numbers, email addresses, and sometimes even mailing addresses for the property owners. To integrate this valuable new contact information, you'll want to open the specific lead record you wish to update. Once the lead record is open, look for the Edit button, usually located at the top or within the Leads Details section. Now, carefully copy the newly skip-traced contact details €, the phone numbers and email addresses €, and paste them directly into the corresponding fields within your lead record. Ensure you're placing the most accurate and relevant information into the primary contact fields for easy follow-up. Once you've updated all the relevant fields, remember to click the Save button. This action ensures that all the fresh contact details are permanently associated with that lead, so you can immediately begin reaching out with confidence.